Welcome back to another episode of Wonders of the Universe. Today we return to our dear friend the Moon, a celestial pearl in our night sky. For millennia it has captivated humanity, inspiring countless myths, stories and dreams. Its gentle glow, ever-changing phases and prominent presence in our heavens have made it a source of wonder and fascination for as long as we have looked up at the stars. But the Moon is more than just a pretty face in the night sky. It is our closest celestial neighbor, a world in its own right, with its own unique history, geology, and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And unlike the distant stars that populate our galaxy, the Moon is within our reach. We have walked on its surface, explored its craters, and brought back pieces of it to study. Yet despite our growing familiarity with the Moon, it remains a place of profound mystery. Its desolate beauty, its stark landscapes, and its alien silence speak to the vastness of the cosmos and our place within it. In this episode, we will journey to the Moon, exploring its history, its secrets, and the challenges and opportunities that await us as we venture further into its embrace. We will relive humanity's first steps on its dusty surface, delve into the discovery of water ice hidden within its craters, and contemplate the possibilities and difficulties of living on a world with a 2-week-long day. July 20th, 1969, a date etched in the annals of human history. It was on this day that the seemingly impossible became a reality. Millions around the globe held their breath as Neil Armstrong, commander of the Apollo 11 mission, descended the ladder of the lunar module Eagle and uttered the now iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The Apollo 11 mission was the culmination of a decade of intense scientific endeavor, national pride, and unwavering human ambition. The space race, born out of Cold War rivalry, had ignited a firestorm of innovation, pushing the boundaries of engineering, physics, and human courage. Armstrong, along with his crewmate Buzz Aldrin, spent 2 hours outside the Eagle, collecting lunar samples, planting the American flag, and deploying scientific instruments. Their every move was captured by a television camera, transmitting grainy black and white images that captivated the world. The Apollo missions were not just about reaching the Moon. They were about expanding the frontiers of human knowledge and understanding. The astronauts brought back hundreds of pounds of lunar rocks and soil, providing scientists with an unprecedented opportunity to study the composition and history of our celestial neighbor. Analysis of these samples revealed that the Moon was once a part of Earth, blasted into space by a cataclysmic collision with a Mars-sized object billions of years ago. The Moon's barren landscapes, pockmarked by countless craters, bear silent witness to the violence of the early solar system. But the legacy of Apollo extends far beyond scientific discoveries. The missions inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers, reminding us of the boundless potential of human ingenuity and the importance of embracing grand challenges. For decades, the Moon was thought to be a dry, desolate world, devoid of the essential ingredients for life. However, in recent years, our understanding of the Moon has undergone a profound transformation. Orbiting spacecraft and robotic landers have detected compelling evidence of water ice hidden in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. This discovery has ignited excitement among scientists and space exploration enthusiasts alike. Water ice on the Moon could be a game changer, providing a vital resource for future human missions. It could be used for drinking water, oxygen generation, and even rocket fuel, reducing the need to transport these heavy and expensive commodities from Earth. The presence of water ice also raises intriguing questions about the possibility of life on the Moon, either in the distant past or perhaps even today, hidden in deep, dark craters. The 2-week-day challenges of the lunar cycle. While the discovery of water ice has made the Moon a more enticing destination for future exploration and possible habitation, living on our celestial neighbor presents a unique set of challenges. One of the most significant is the lunar day-night cycle. Unlike Earth, which completes a rotation on its axis every 24 hours, the Moon takes approximately 28 days to rotate once. This means that a single day on the Moon lasts for about 2 weeks, followed by an equally long night. This extreme variation in sunlight creates dramatic temperature swings, with the surface reaching scorching temperatures during the day and plummeting to frigid depths at night. Sheltering from the storm, protecting lunar inhabitants. The long lunar day and night cycle, coupled with the moon's lack of a substantial atmosphere, poses significant challenges for human habitation. The absence of an atmosphere means there is no protection from the sun's harmful radiation or from debris, which constantly bombard the lunar surface. To survive and thrive on the moon, we will need to develop innovative habitats that can shield inhabitants from these harsh conditions. Underground structures, covered with lunar regolith for insulation and radiation shielding, are one promising option. Another possibility is to build habitats in permanently shadowed craters at the poles, where temperatures are more moderate and water ice is readily available. The Moon Village, a vision for the future. Despite the challenges, the dream of establishing a permanent human presence on the moon is gaining momentum. Space agencies around the world are collaborating on plans for a moon village, a sustainable and internationally shared lunar outpost that would serve as a base for scientific research, resource utilization, and further exploration of the solar system. The moon village would be a stepping stone to Mars and beyond, allowing us to test technologies and develop strategies for living and working on other celestial bodies. It would also be a testament to international cooperation and the enduring human spirit of exploration. Back to the moon, a new era of exploration. We are on the cusp of a new era of lunar exploration. NASA's Artemis program, named after the Greek goddess of the moon and twin sister of Apollo, aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by the end of the 2020s. Artemis is not just a repeat of Apollo, it is a sustainable program that will establish a permanent human presence on and around the moon. Private companies are also playing an increasingly important role in lunar exploration. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other companies are developing innovative and cost-effective technologies that will make it easier and more affordable to reach the moon. The moon beckons. The moon, once a distant and unattainable dream, is now within our grasp. The discoveries of recent years, particularly the presence of water ice, have made it clear that the moon is not a barren, lifeless world, but a place of immense potential. The challenges of living on the moon are significant, but they are not insurmountable. With ingenuity, determination, and international collaboration, we can overcome these challenges and establish a permanent human presence on our celestial neighbor. The moon beckons, inviting us to explore its mysteries, unlock its resources, and create a new chapter in human history. The journey ahead will be challenging, but the rewards will be immeasurable. Thank you for your company on this episode. If you enjoyed this tour of our moon, then click that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on the next episode of Wonders of the Universe. Bye for now and take care.